Morning, sir. My name is Praful Bele and I'm from collegedunia.com. Very warm welcome to you on our interview series, which is called Thoughts on Education, where we interview various dignitaries such as the owners, directors, principals, and HODs of various universities and colleges. Before starting the interview, I would request you to kindly give a brief introduction of yourself and then we can proceed ahead with the interview.
Good morning. Thank you so much for again for this platform. Myself, Dr. Suresh Santani. I am working in this institution since 8 years, but I have overall experience more than 12 years. So I am working as an assistant professor. And I have done the PhD and published more than 40 papers in various research journals, national level, international level. I have completed 6 orientations, including faculty development programs and research programs.
So, that was really great to hear about yourself. Now, let's go to the first question of this interview series, and that is what keeps you connected to the education sector and how has your experience been so far with GJ Advani Law College?
When we thought about education, we are always thinking about value education. Personally, I am of the opinion that we should be in a system where value education is being given importance, because only education is not sufficient nowadays. Value education is very important. Value education in the sense it is connected with the knowledge, wisdom, employability. Because nowadays we are observing that even educated people are there. A big portion of population is there who is educated but not getting the job. I personally believe that there is important factor of value education. So value education needs overall development of the student and overall education institutions. They are focusing on not only on the curriculum but extracurricular activities also, because we have to make the students ready for their upcoming platform of career and all. So that is the point I am attracted, and I'm fortunate to be a part of this institution where we are not only focusing on the curriculum, because this is the college where we never make any adjustment of the lecture. So we follow the syllabus which is prescribed by the university, but in addition to that we are focusing on the value education, including the guest lectures, seminar, workshop for their upcoming field after the career, like drafting, reading and all, how to crack interview in the first schedule and all.
Sir, what strategies do we employ to gather and incorporate student feedback and suggestions to enhance the quality of education within the department?
Weekly, we are having the mentoring sessions in every year. So different full-timers are the mentor of different classes. So every week we are having indirect interaction with the students as a mentor. We full-timers are allotted a particular group of students, and we are discussing with them their views, their feedback, their requirements, their expectations, and overall their opinions or feedback. And whenever we are requiring, we are feeling it is to be corrected, we are correcting the college practice, and we are providing them what is expected and what is reasonable for them. So like that, we are very well aware about their basic requirement, feedbacks and opinions. It's a weekly part of our curriculum mentoring sessions. So this will help us for this particular aspect.
Sir, what is your department's approach for helping students with academic and career advice and ensuring their success both in and beyond the classroom?
Beyond the classroom, especially, we are arranging the various visits of the students, including the court visit, chamber visit for the lawyers, police station visits, judicial academy visit. Before pandemic, we visited Delhi also, including Supreme Court, Parliament and all. So we are arranging academic visits for the students, not only in the Supreme Court but High Court and these local authorities also we are arranging the visits. It is increasing their practical knowledge of the field.
Sir, what would you like people to know about your college they may not know?
The very first thing I will give the importance about the lectures, because we have the full-timers in this college. There are very few added law colleges in Mumbai who are having the full-timers. So I feel very fortunate to be, because we have now at present we have 8 full-time faculty members. So this is very rare where the added colleges are having faculty. It is directly affecting the overall lectures. If there is no any adjustment in the lectures, that is the first point. Second, we have totally innovated infrastructure also, and I should not forget to quote the library part here. We have more than 13,000 books available, physical books, in addition to the online resources, e-resources and e-services, and which is very essential required platform for the students. So academic plus library plus infrastructure plus teaching faculties, and this is very motivating for the students. And I believe these are the utmost importance for the students, especially law students.
Sir, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
We should be keep learning, even in spite of getting the degree. We should not stop learning. And learning does not include only reading your specialized field. Especially the lawyers, the fresh graduates, they should not constrain themselves to the law studies only. They have to be acquainted with all different variations of the system. So it requires a continuous 24/7 observation of the system, not only of the particular locality but of our state, our country, as well as our world. We should be aware of what is happening at the international level, because nowadays international things are affecting domestic things. The laws which we are having in India, most of them are inspired from the international conventions, treaties, and conferences. So, being the law students, I believe that we have to continuously be a learner. We should not think that now I am a doctorate, now I will stop. No. Even after being doctorate, I am continuously trying to make research, publishing the papers, attending the faculty development program, orientation program. So we should not stop ourselves with a particular boundary. This is very good feature of our advocacy profession, that the person can learn and practice in the court till their death. So this is very good chance to be alive. Otherwise, after the particular age of 60 years, people are retiring. But lawyers never retire. But only condition is that we have to be active. 24/7, we have to keep ourselves active, alive, and keep observing the system. So this is an advice for all the law students.
Sir, it has been a pleasure interacting with you today and listen to your views on our interview series that is Thoughts on Education. I thank you on behalf of the College Dunia team, and I wish you all the very best for the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Thank you.